And police search for the man who robbed a Dollar General in Green Township with a shotgun. This happened at the store on Colerain Avenue near Loretta Drive around 9 last night. Investigators say the suspect walked into the store demanding money from the register. There were 2 employees and 3 customers in the store when this happened. The suspect ran from the store with an unknown amount of cash in a yellow Dollar General bag. Police say the suspect is a black man in his late teens to early 20s, standing about 5'7" with a slender build. He was wearing dark pants, a dark hooded sweatshirt, and gloves. He was last seen running on Byrnside Drive.